Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disable the Google autofill on Android. So in here, you can start by opening the settings app on your Android phone. Then on the settings, you can find the privacy options. Let's scroll down. Okay, so tap on this privacy. And you can just scroll down until you find the autofill service from Google. So the autofill service from Google will usually pop up when you try to import password or credit card info or addresses. So if you want to turn it off, you can just click on the autofill in here, and there will be this option, use autofill with Google. So you can just disable it by clicking on the circle, and it will turn off immediately. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.